welcome to today's chemistry class, balancing of acid redox reaction under acidic solution. In a series of these classes, we gave you a question in our previous class, and then we hope that you have solved this question, because there is a saying that says that what you read, you tend to forget, what you see, you tend to remember, and what you do, you understand. It means that when you practice these questions, you will rarely understand them, because practice, make mistakes, correct your mistakes, practice, make mistake, correct your mistakes, and then that is the way to learn. Now, we want to solve this problem. We hope you have solved it, because we gave it to you as a classwork or to work on in our previous class. Now, the steps are still as follows. Remember that you are going to be adding hydrogen and water. Hydrogen and water during the process of this reaction. When we get there, you're going to see what I'm talking about. Now, we have that zinc. Zinc gives me zinc +2. Now, you notice that there is a +2 charge here, which means that the cations is not balanced, and there is no +2 charge at the right hand side. So what I'm going to do, if I add 2 electrons, this becomes equation 1. Notice that the electrons are balanced and the elements are also balanced. Now I take the bromide or bromate, gives me bromine. Now this bromate giving me bromine, notice that we have 3 oxygen here, no oxygen here. So what I'm going to do is that I will add 3 molecules of oxygen. Let me use my red ink now. 3H2O to the reactant side. Now if I add 3H2O, 3 times 1, that is 3 molecules of oxygen. Now 3 molecules of oxygen is at this side, the reactant side too. Now meanwhile, you notice that the hydrogen is 3 times 2. There are 6 hydrogen at the left hand side, but there ain't no hydrogen at the right hand side. So what we're going to do is that we're going to add 6 hydrogen to the right hand side. So having done that, we now see that the elements are balanced. 1 bromine, 6 hydrogen, 3 times 2, that is 6 hydrogen. We have the particles, oxygen, all balanced. The particles, the elements are balanced, but is the ions balanced? We have -1 + 6. This is a +5. Over there, we have -1. So you notice that the ions is not balanced. And you know the second step says make sure that the ions and the element are balanced. What's the difference between +5 and -1? So what I'm going to do, +5 -1. If you press your calculator, that will eventually give me 6. So we are going to add that 6 electron to the side that have the highest charge. Now the side that have the highest charge is +5, so I'm adding 6 electron plus bromate plus 6 hydrogen, which will give me bromine plus 3H2O. I can now call this equation 2. Having done that, the next step is to equalize the 2 half-cell equation. Now, by doing that, we are going to find the LCM between the electron. LCM between 6 and 2 is evidently 6. So what I'm going to do is that I will multiply this equation by 3 so that this electron can become 6. Now let's do that. 3 times by 1, that is 3 of those. 3 times by 1, that is 3 of those. 3 times by 2, that is 6 of those. This becomes equation 3. Alright, having done that, I'm going to bring down this equation to this side so that I can now add up the equation. So what I have here will now become this equation now, 6 electron plus bromine plus 6 hydrogen, giving me bromine, this is bromate, plus 3H2O. Remember, this is equation 2. Now, what I'm going to do is that if I add up this equation, notice that 6 electron will cancel 6 electron. We write down everything you see on the right hand side and everything you see on the left hand side. Write down what you have on this side, write down what you have on this side. So we have that over here we have 3 zinc, okay, and then I still have, where is it again? I have bromine minus, and then I have 6 hydrogen. Now, what I have on this side is 3 zinc plus 2 plus, remember, bromine, and then I have plus 3H2O. Now, let's check whether the elements are balanced and the ions are balanced. That is the principle or the idea behind this reaction. Now, I have 3 zinc, 3 zinc. That one is balanced. Bromine, 1. Bromine is 1, bromine is 1. That one is balanced. 6 hydrogen, 3 times 2, 6 hydrogen, hydrogen is balanced. Oxygen, I have 3 oxygen, 3 times 1, oxygen is also balanced. Now let's check for the ions. Now over here, I have minus 1 plus 6. That will give me plus 5. All right, let's go to this side. Now, the right hand side. We have 3 times 2, that is plus 6, plus this minus 1 from here, that is plus 5. You notice that a plus 5 charge, a plus 5 charge for the ions, and then the particles, the elements, the ions are balanced. If you have made it to the point of this video, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. See you